Good evening and welcome to 6 p.m. Prime. Our Bihar coverage continues of the election. Tomorrow is the first phase of the elections and I'm today standing in Patna. And behind me is the Raj Bhavan and on the other side is the Chief Minister's office. The Janta of Bihar, the voters of Bihar are now going to exercise from tomorrow morning their franchise to decide who sits in the Chief Minister's residence, who does the governor invite on 10th of November. Let's very quickly start with this breaking news that we are getting on the broadcast because, you know, the campaign is picking up and so are jibes which are coming through where politicians are hitting out at each other. Now, there is a viral video which is doing the rounds at this moment where the LJP has slammed JDU saying Nitish Kumar is scared of losing. Now, in the viral video, Chirag Paswan is standing in front of his father's photo and shooting Bihari first video. JDU alleged the real face of Chirag Paswan has been revealed. Let's listen in first to the video and then to some political reaction.
हर किसी के बाल का टेक्सचर तेरा खड़ा हुआ है क्या बाल? हाँ, 2 मिनट में खत्म करो। मैंने जो शुरू में बोला था ना, हाँ, वो वाला एकदम सही। एकदम कुछ मत जाओ, हाँ, वो भी मत जाओ ना, उठा। हाँ, हाँ, मैं एक काम करता हूँ, शुरू की लाइनें हैं ही, ठीक है, कट एडिट करेंगे भाई। एक सिंगल कैमरा ही शूट कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग। डबल कर दो क्या? सिंगल कैमरा। हाँ, क्योंकि वो कट भाई ये रिमोट है, इसके लिए इतना पास आ ही गया तो रिमोट किसका है? चले?
Now, since Chirag Paswan has been very vocal, has attacked Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, just yesterday he said he will send him to prison once he's out of power. This has come as an opportunity for the JDU to hit back at Chirag Paswan. Listen in.
चिराग पासवान के इस वायरल वीडियो से उनका चाल चरित्र और चेहरा समझने में बिहार की जनता को कठिनाई नहीं होगी। दरअसल सच्चाई ये है कि स्वर्गीय रामविलास पासवान जी नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में बिहार की सरकार बने, लोजपा उसमें शामिल हो, ऐसा सोचते थे। लेकिन अब इस वायरल वीडियो से एक महत्वाकांक्षी और स्वार्थी नौजवान नेता की जो असली तस्वीर है, अब वो बिहार के जनता के सामने आ गई।
Now, the timing of this video, which has been leaked, suspicious. Who leaked it is also something that needs to be seen. I had earlier also met Chirag Paswan and I asked him about this allegation that he's trying to monetize politically his father's death, sympathy he's trying to gain. He had vehemently denied that. But, you know, this is not just the only personal thing which has been brought down into this election. This, as the campaign, you know, for the first phase ended, second phase has already picked up. This campaign is becoming very vicious and personal. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar made some personal remarks on Lalu Prasad Yadav, his wife, and hit out at Tejasvi Yadav, which has been now, in fact, responded back by Tejasvi. Addressing a rally earlier, the Chief Minister in Hajipur said, and he did not take a name, in fact, name of Lalu Prasad Yadav, but said having 9 children, 7 daughters and 2 sons, basically implying that it was the son that he wanted, his heir that he wanted, and that is why he had so many children. In an apparent reference to Lalu Prasad Yadav, Kumar accused the RJD chief of having one daughter after another just to ensure the birth of his son. Also said that Lalu has no faith in his daughters. Now, Lalu's son and RJD's chief minister's candidate, Tejasvi Yadav, reacted to Nitish Kumar's comment and mockingly said Chief Minister is actually attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who also has 5 siblings. Tejasvi claimed that the Bihar Chief Minister is mentally and physically tired and just wants to divert attention from real issues. Listen in.
किसी को चिंता है 8-8, 9-9 बच्चा बच्ची पैदा करता है, क्या मालूम है किसी को? बेटी पर भरोसा ही नहीं, कई बेटियां हो गई तब बेटा हुआ। और आप सोच रहे कैसा बिहार बनाना चाहते हैं, ऐसा ही बिहार बनाना चाहते हैं। अगर यही लोगों का आदर्श है तो समझ लीजिए बिहार का क्या बुरा हाल होगा। कोई पूछने वाला नहीं रहेगा, सब का सब बर्बाद हो जाएगा।
नीतीश कुमार जी कुछ भी कहें हमारे लिए आशीर्वाद है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमारे बहाने वो प्रधानमंत्री को ही निशाना बनाने का काम कर रहे हैं। अगर ऐसी बोली अगर वो बोलते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं से महिलाओं का जो है मर्यादा जो है उसको ठेस पहुंचाने का वो काम कर रहे हैं। जो डिग्निटी होती है महिलाओं की, आप कह सकते हैं हमारी माँ की डिग्निटी को वो ठेस पहुंचा रहे हैं, हमारी माँ की मर्यादा को वो ठेस पहुंचाने का काम कर रहे हैं नीतीश कुमार जी।
You know, Nitish Kumar was always seen as a very calm and composed campaigner. But in this election, one after another, Nitish Kumar is not only making personal jibes but also losing his cool. Maybe it's the election campaign fatigue, or else the opposition, and especially Tejasvi, is really getting under his nerves. I just want to now shift focus from politics to the voices that matter the most in an election, that is the voice of the voters. Remember the jibe of Nitish Kumar where he said, I can't bring in industries in Bihar because there is no sea. It's not on the shores of any sea. Well, for industries, for a state which is lacking education, jobs, we thought we'll remind the voters of Bihar of its glorious past. We went to Dalmia Nagar, which was in undivided Bihar, second biggest industrial hub, a town which now lies in ruin, virtually a ghost town. Can Bihar revive its existing industries? Imagine a bustling sugar factory. Imagine thousands of workers walking through these gates, coming to work here every single day. Imagine that chimney behind me blowing the smoke when this entire factory used to be at its peak. That story ended in 1984.
This was a bustling industrial town that employed more than 20,000 people when it was shut down in 1984. Dalmia Nagar of Dehri near Sasaram in Bihar promised to rival Jamshedpur in the 1980s before it died a sudden death.
सड़क तो आज भी 70 साल पहले का बना हुआ सड़क है, आज सरकार द्वारा नगर पालिका द्वारा बनाया हुआ सड़क में अंतर आप खुद स्वयं देख सकते हैं। ये 80 साल 90 साल पहले का बना हुआ सड़क पर हम लोग खड़े हैं। 300 दिन यही एक जगह था, 300 दिन इसी काउंटर से लेबर पेमेंट होता था। 1 तारीख से लेकर के ये जो पेमेंट वाला पेमेंट काउंटर है, 1 तारीख से लेकर के 30 तारीख तक डेली पेमेंट था।
Established in 1933, this industrial town had sugar, paper, cement, chemicals and other factories within its boundaries. The combined estimated turnover of these industrial units was to the tune of 130 crore rupees in 1983-84 when it all shut down.
This at one point of time used to be a railway line. It's now completely closed. So this town, this industrial town, Dalmia Nagar, used to have its own railway line because this is where the coal and other material, coal coming in to fuel the factories, and material which used to be ready from here used to be taken out from here. Now look at this, it's completely been shut. This used to be the hospital. It was supposed to be about 100-bed hospital in Dalmia Nagar. A very well-planned, in fact, entire township which was created, which lies in complete ruin now.
In the 1990s, when Lalu Prasad Yadav became the railway minister, some land was acquired to set up a railway wagon factory. But that too remained an unfulfilled promise.
यहाँ तो बहुत सारे बोर्ड लगे हुए हैं, चीनी, सीमेंट।
आसपास से अभी हाल फिलहाल में लगा है, इलेक्शन के चलते लगा हुआ है। स्ट्रीट लाइट भी लगाया गया है। नोटिस कीजिएगा, पोल पे सारे लाइटें भी लगे हैं। पहले वीरान पड़ा हुआ था, पूरा अंधेरा रहा करता था। साफ हो रहा है, अब जब जब चुनाव होता है तब तब नया नया बात निकलता है। मतलब यही सब कि विकास के लिए कि होगा अब होगा, तो नीतीश जी कर रहे हैं, तो लालू जी कर रहे हैं, सब लोग। तब क्या, अभी तो हमारा वोटर आईडी बना हुआ है, इसी साल बना हुआ है, लेकिन हम सोच में कि किन में दे वोट, किसको करें।
बाबूजी यहाँ काम करते थे?
हाँ,
कहाँ पर?
सीमेंट फैक्ट्री में।
सीमेंट फैक्ट्री में?
हाँ।
बंद हो गया तो फिर आप कह रहे थे क्या हुआ उसके बाद?
का भइल उसका बात ये तक चलता, तब ले बंद बा, तब बंद बा, का बा
नुकसान हुआ,
पापो मर गइल,
व्यवस्था नहीं मिला और
सब बर्बाद हो गया इसके बाद।
तब अपन का करम दी, जूठा कट्ठा मांझ के खात बा, पेट मानी भैया, पेट ना माने।
सर यहाँ पे कोई भी एग्जाम के लिए, कोई भी एग्जाम क्रैक करने के लिए कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट्स नहीं है सर। ना स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन के लिए कोई इंस्टीट्यूट है, ना बैंक के लिए है, ना दरोगा बहाली के लिए कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट है। अगर आपको तैयारी करना है तो आपको यहाँ से पटना जाना होगा या तो दिल्ली जाना। अगर मान लीजिए आप यूपीएससी के एस्पिरेंट्स हैं तो आपको दिल्ली जाना होगा। यहाँ पे कोई सर कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स वगैरह नहीं है।
Dalmia Nagar, or what is left of it, falls under the Dehri Assembly constituency and votes on 28th of October in the first phase of Bihar election.
For a state which is at the bottom of industrialization, for a state where jobs are one of the biggest concern, for a state where unemployment rates are very high, and for a state where only government jobs seem to be the way out for the youth, for a state which in 2020 the chief ministers still make excuses about why industries were not developed, Dalmia Nagar is a potent example of productivity at its peak, innovation at its peak in Bihar, which because of the neglect, which because of lack of political will and only caste-based politics now lies in ruin. An example of what could possibly have been one of the jewel of Bihar. With camera person Kiran Ankityagi in Dalmia Nagar, India Today. That's a town now, almost a ghost town lying in ruins. Now there is breaking news coming in on the first reaction of Chirag Paswan on the video which was released earlier. In fact, Chirag Paswan, speaking to the media, has said he never thought, he has attacked Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, that Nitish Kumar would stoop to such a low level. Chirag said he doesn't need to prove anything on his father's death. Chirag also said Nitish Kumar is scared of going to jail. Listen into what Chirag Paswan said, reacting to that video, which has now gone viral.
हाँ, मैं काम करता हूँ, शुरू की लाइनें हैं ही, ठीक है।
मेरी समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि वो वीडियो किस उद्देश्य से दिया गया है। क्या मुझे ये प्रमाण देने की ज़रूरत है कि मैं अपने पिताजी की मौत के बाद कितना दुखी हूँ, किस नीचता पर, मतलब इतनी नीच स्तर की राजनीति पर मुख्यमंत्री आएंगे, ये मुझे कभी उम्मीद नहीं थी। ये घबराहट कि उनको जेल जाना पड़ेगा मेरी अगली सरकार में, ये उसका परिणाम है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो इस तरीके के वीडियोस वो रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं। अब मुख्यमंत्री घरों के अंदर तक घुस गए हैं जासूसी करने के लिए।
All right, with that, we are slipping into a very short break on the broadcast right now. News and updates related to Bihar election will continue. Remember, tomorrow is the big day, the phase 1 voting.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.